dSurf, a website for sore eyes. The dSurf website features a design for people who have low vision, people who are keyboard-only users, people who may have difficulty with cognition, and people who are blind. According to the Centers for Disease Control Fast Facts of Common Eye Disorders, approximately 12 million people 40 years and over in the United States have vision impairment. The dSurf website incorporates the following features. Designed for people with low vision. The dSurf website is designed with a dark theme for people who have low vision or who suffer from photophobia, a sensitivity of the eyes to light. Most typical websites have a glaring white background with black text in the foreground. The opposite is true for dSurf, with white text on a dark background and a highly visible focus rectangle to help identify links and other controls. Designed for keyboard-only users. Keyboard-only users may not be able to use a typical mouse, and most must rely on using the Tab or Shift-Tab keys to move forward or backward through focusable elements. Screen reader users may use the letter H, Hotel, to move from one heading to another, but keyboard users who do not use or own a screen reader are left without a great way to navigate. The same page links at the top of the dSurf homepage and the About Us page allow keyboard users to jump directly to each main section on the page.
A keyboard user presses Tab to move through links and presses Enter on the link for training and education.
The Scroll to Next section same page links for keyboard users enable jumping directly to the next major heading or section on a page. Keyboard navigation on the dSurf website mimics the same behavior afforded to screen reader users who navigate by heading. Designed for easier cognition. Some people have difficulty with understanding the overall content and layout or the relationships of text, links, and images on web pages. The same page links at the top of the dSurf homepage and the About Us page help break the content into more digestible chunks. People can choose to click through on just the item of interest available from the top fold, instead of having to scroll through the whole page to find individual sections. Designed for people who are blind. Of course, the dSurf design incorporates the use of regions, headings, links, and meaningful labels to make the reading experience a great one for all of our friends who are screen reader users. In summary, the dSurf website has features designed for people who are low vision, people who are keyboard-only users, people who may have difficulty with cognition, and people who are blind. Some of the features you find include a dark theme with black background and white text, a nice visible focus rectangle, a surf to main content link, skip links to major sections in the top fold of more complex pages, skip to next section links on the left side as people scroll down the page, especially useful for screen magnification users who typically scroll down the left side of the page, as well as keyboard-only users. A back-to-top link at the bottom of the last section of those pages, located along the left side of the page where screen magnification users find it more easily. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe to the dSurf blog and visit us at https://www.dsurf.net.